Hello, my name is Peter Adamic of Academic Actuary, and I'd like to welcome you to our How It Works video. In this video, we'll describe the process of how you can gain your mathematical statistics VEE credit with us. Thank you for being with us. So, the How It Works process can be summarized in 5 simple steps. The first step is simply to consult our website, www.academicactuary.com. On the website, you'll be able to view sample lecture videos, sample excerpts from the course textbook. You'll be able to view a sample assessment or exam, if you want to think of it that way. You'll also be able to learn more about me, your course instructor, and also to consult the FAQ, frequently asked questions area of the website, where we try to anticipate many of the finer questions that you might have pertaining to this course. Step 2, if you like what you see, you can simply sign up for the course, and we'll welcome you to our Academic Actuary family. The third step is watching in the subsequent weeks the instructional videos, working through the exercises in the textbook, and in a general sense, working through the course material at your own pace. Now, you have up to 2 years to complete the course, although I'd highly recommend that you get to it right away and just finish the process. But it's all up to you. It's up to your comfort level, how fast you want to work through the material. When you're all set, shoot me off an email and we'll respond with a link for you to do the assessment. Okay, and remember that you get 2 assessment or exam attempts included in your course fee. Fifthly, if you get a B- or better, that will be considered a pass, and we will inform the Society of Actuaries of your passing grade. If you don't pass the assessment, you can always take it again, and we will not inform the SOA of a non-passing grade, so it won't appear on your official Society of Actuaries transcript until you get a B- or higher. Okay, so let's describe the learning objectives / outcomes for this course. Now, these points are taken from, these bullet points are taken from the Society of Actuaries website, and then in parentheses, I map where these concepts, these topics are covered in the course textbook. So firstly, we want to explain the concepts of random sampling, statistical inference, and sampling distributions, and state and use basic sampling distributions. So these are topics that we cover in our textbook in Chapter 1 and in Chapter 4, Sections 6 to 7. The next series of topics is describing the main methods of estimation and the main properties of estimators, and then applying them. So using that theory in practical applications. So the methods that we look at include matching moments, percentile matching, and also maximum likelihood. And then we look at these more inferential properties of estimators that include bias, variance, mean squared error, consistency, efficiency, and uniformly minimum variance unbiased estimators. And these are topics that we cover in chapters 7 and 8. The next theme that we cover is that of confidence intervals. So the SOA stipulates that we should construct or cover constructing confidence intervals for unknown parameters, including the mean, difference in 2 population means, variances or standard deviations, and then also binomial proportions. And we cover those topics in Chapter 5. And then the final topic is hypothesis testing. Topics to be covered include the Neyman-Pearson lemma, significance and power, the likelihood ratio test, and information criteria. Tests should include for the mean, variance. We also do hypothesis testing in the context of contingency tables and goodness of fit tests. So describing whether a specific distribution adequately describes the population that the sample was drawn from. Okay, so those are the bulk of the topics that we cover in this course. Please note that chapters 2 and 3 and sections 4.1 to 4.5 in our textbook are presented for background purposes only and do not directly relate to the learning objectives of this VEE course. So they're not officially part of the VEE curriculum that we're going to test you on in the assessment. They are meant as background chapters. If you've never taken a statistics class before, these are chapters and sections from chapter 4 that you should take or read to bring yourself up to a level of proficiency so that you can do the core topics that we cover in chapter 1, sections 4.6 and 4.7 from chapter 4, chapters 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, great. So that's in a general sense how this course works. And as usual, if you have any questions, please email me, peter@academicactuary.com. Thank you very much. Bye for now.